Are your clothes aging you? Well, in today's video, we're going to talk about 10 ways to look 10 years younger, shave off the years. So let's dive right in. Hello, fashionista. I'm Nancy Queen, and I'm here to help you build a wardrobe full of clothes you love to wear so you love getting dressed every single day. And today we are talking about looking old. We all know our age. Yes, I am 55. However, do I want to look like that? No. It doesn't mean I want to look like I'm 20, and I'm not trying to dress like I'm, reliving my college years or looking like a 25-year-old or 30-year-old. But I wouldn't mind looking like I'm 45. I'm okay with that. And just to keep you from looking frumpy and aged, you can look together as a 40, 50, 60-year-old without looking frumpy. And there's a few little tweaks that we can make to our wardrobe that will keep us looking younger and fresher and more vibrant, just by making just a few simple tweaks. So I'm going to go over all 10 of those right now. Okay, these are in no particular order. So number one on my list is comfortable shoes. Now, I actually did a survey and I asked what kind of shoes you like. Well, guess what? Most of us, including myself, like flat shoes. However, that does not mean you need to wear those easy, naturally shoes that are only built for comfort and no style. There are so many great shoes available right now that you can update your look relevant, look stylish, but be completely comfortable. You don't have to succumb to ugly shoes in order to be comfortable. There are so many elegant options out there that will elevate your whole look just by updating your shoes. Number two on my list is choosing pants or capris or crops, culottes that hit at the wrong length. Now, if you are choosing pants that hit here, just at the calf, that is actually the widest part of your leg. So guess what that's going to do? That's going to highlight the widest part of your leg. It's going to add weight. It's going to make you look frumpier, dumpier. So look for something that hits ankle length or just above so that it's highlighting the skinniest part of your ankle and giving you a younger, more youthful appearance. The third item on my list is proper undergarments. I know those stretchy, comfortable bras. I love those. You can throw them on at home. They feel like you're not wearing anything. They don't have any clasps. There's no underwires. They're just like an elastic piece that goes over and holds them. However, they don't really hold the girls in place the way they should. And if you're over 50, like I am, gravity takes over and things are not as perky as they may have been. And those don't provide the support that you need and the lift that you need to give you a younger, more youthful appearance. So if you want to shave off some years, have your body look better, your clothes will fit better, go and get fitted for an updated bra. And you can still buy very comfortable bras. You just need to get fitted for a bra that fits your body and doesn't make you feel like you want to move around. And we'll do a whole video on that at some other point. However, go get a good bra, even if it's one that you're just wearing out to events and things, or when you're out of the house. Keep your stretchy bra for when you're relaxing at home, and it will shave off the years and give you a very elegant look. Tip number 4 to make you look 10 years younger is stop wearing the statement jewelry. I know we all grew up in the 80s. We were fans of the big chunky necklaces, big chunky earrings, big chunky anything to go with our high hair. However, today is very understated and sophisticated, so you're going to just dial it down to a thinner piece, a more elegant piece. It will refine your look and give you a younger, more updated appeal if you scale back on your statement jewelry. Number 5 on my list is wearing too much black. Now, I know I am a culprit of this. My closet was entirely black, gray, and white for years. That's my staples. I lived in them. I loved them. However, black is harsh. I know it's very chic, very classic, but as you age, it's harsh against the skin. It will show under eye circles, it'll show lines, and it ages you. So you can wear black, but add in some pops of color. Add a little scarf up around your neck. Wear a statement bag that's a pop of color, or some colorful glasses. You just want to add a little bit more color in your life, and you will be surprised how many more compliments you start to receive once you're wearing more color. Number 6 on my list, and this may be the biggest thing that ages a woman, is wearing nude pantyhose, skin colored pantyhose. Now, I know you might be saying, but I have spider veins, my ankles are in bad shape, or I have freckles or sun damage, or I haven't been out in the sun, so my legs are pasty. You know what? It looks a lot more updated than wearing pantyhose. So get rid of the nude pantyhose. You can buy tanning creams that give you a tan look on your legs, or you can just embrace it and go with, just go with it. Keep your legs shaved, apply a nice cream, and, put on a self tanner that will give you a warm glow. It makes a huge difference, and it really shaves the years right off you. Number 7 on my list are running shoes. Now, you may not think that running shoes dates your look, but it does. If you want to look younger, more polished and refined and elegant, switch out those running shoes unless you are running. If you're doing athletic activities, of course, wear your sneakers. However, if you want a more updated, modern, fresh look, do not pair your athletic sneakers with your jeans or a little skirt or skirt. You want to switch out to just some nice, clean white sneakers. Just a nice plain white sneaker will update your look and give you a fresh, modern edge. It's a very simple way to update your wardrobe. Number 8 on my list is updating your style. Now, many of us, I know I love talking about classic wardrobes and preppy. However, that doesn't mean that I don't stay relevant. I still like to update my wardrobe, bring new pieces in every year, because styles, no matter what you wear, occasionally need to be replaced. And when is the last time you updated your hairstyle, your glasses, your jewelry, to give yourself a fresh pop? And this doesn't mean you need to hop on every fad or trend, but you still want to stay relevant and up to date, even though you might be using a classic look or style. There's still trends that will come in and out that will update the look without it being a fad that's going to go out of style. Trends come on slowly and they die out gradually. So you'll still have the garment and be able to wear it for years without looking dated. So look for pieces that are updated and classic. Make sure you're updating your hair every year or two. I know I have friends that have not changed their hairstyle in a good 20 years. They're still, maybe even 30 years, they're still wearing the same hairstyle they wore in college. So you want to update that look, stay relevant, go look and see what are hairstyles that are out there today. What are people doing from a jewelry standpoint? Like I said, you don't have to hop on every trend, but you do want to stay relevant, and that will, again, shave off an easy 10 years from your look. Number 9 on my list are those cheap drugstore reading glasses. Now, I know they look fun. However, they are going to age you. They've got the little half eyes that like sit down low, and you wear them down here on your nose, and you look over your glasses at everyone. Go invest in a pair of good glasses that sit properly on your face, that are up to date, that suit your style, and choose good glasses instead of those cheap readers, because they are definitely going to make you look aged. And number 10 on my list is skirts that are too long. This is one of those things that really can age you and make you look frumpy and weighed down and just not fresh. I know that long midi and maxi skirts are popular. However, if you are trying to look younger, I would avoid those like the plague, because what we tend to do as women of a certain age is, as we gain weight, or we don't love the look of our legs anymore, we buy longer and longer skirts to cover up. And what that does is it weighs us down and we end up looking frumpy. So avoid, I don't really like to go anything lower than knee length, or I actually like above the knee, but I think knee length is the most flattering look, or just slightly above the knee is the most flattering length on women over 50. I think it's a beautiful length. It's not going to hit you. Those midi skirts hit right at the calf, it's mid, so it means between the midway between the knee and the foot, which is, boom, the widest part of your calf. So it's going to give you a very kind of frumpy look, an aged look, by wearing those longer weighed down skirts. So avoid those like the plague. Hike up your skirts a little, wear them around knee length, and it will shave off the ears. So those are my 10 tips for looking younger, more elegant and refined. I hope you've enjoyed them, and if you've fallen into any of those traps, I'd love to hear, and I'll see you in the next video.